Here's another repossession that came back. This car was sold about 6 months ago. Something happened with the customer. I think they had some problems with the law or something like that. I'm not 100% sure, but that's just what I've heard. This is a 2016 Cadillac. What I'm going to show you is just how beautiful the car is. It came back in clean condition. They had some stuff in it, but it wasn't trashed out like the rest of these cars. But you notice one chrome wheel. It already has some damage to it right there at the top, and it's chrome. Now look at these. Look how bald the tire is all the way around it. Look at the wheel, how it's scratched up. So obviously they're hitting roads or they're hitting curbs and stuff like that, or peeling out. But look how bald. I mean, we all drive cars. I've never had a tire that bald, but overall the body of the car is clean. So one chrome and 3 gray rims. This one is also bald. Look like they damaged the car right there. And then look at this rim. Oh my goodness. So imagine your car. Look how this customer is treating this car. Either they can't see, or I don't know what, drinking, or maybe somebody else was drinking and driving the car or something like that, or you can't see. It has a little damage here on the side, but otherwise the car came back in good condition. Just want to show you guys how some of these cars come back. Maybe you're another dealer looking, want to know how in-house financing, if it's an option, if you guys want to do it, how some of these cars came back. This one was on the road probably 6 months. The BMW I showed you prior, that one was on the road over a year, came back great condition. Customer still may get it back. It just depends on their situation, if it's improved or not. Let's move on to the next car.